Welcome to Reclining Yoga Warm-Up Core Activation. Come into cat and cow with deep breathing. Inhale, open your chest, cow pose. Exhale, align your spine and cat pose, moving at your own pace. Spread your fingers wide and let your spine grow long. On your inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest, and feel your heart open into a soft glow. This is cow. As you exhale, align your spine toward the sky, draw your belly in and release the back of your heart. This is cat. Move slowly between these two shapes. Slowly release. Hover your knees to center of the floor and activate your core. Slowly release. Come into high plank for 20 seconds. Press your palms into the floor. Move to forearm plank for another 20 seconds. Come into downward facing dog. Shift your hips back and lengthen your spine. Relax your shoulder. Inhale and exhale. Lift one leg in down dog. 3-legged core crunch. Focus on your breath. Switch side. Slowly release. Come into side plank pose. For 20 seconds. Hand to the mat, switch side. Hand to the mat, come into boat pose. Sit tall, press your hands into the floor and lift your chest. Draw your belly in, float your legs up, and hold this balance with steady breath. Slowly release. Lie on your back. Spine twist on both sides. Slowly switch side. Hug your knee and breathe deeply. Slowly draw your knees toward your chest, wrap your arms around your legs, and let your shoulders soften into the earth. Feel your spine melt into the mat, one vertebra at a time. With every breath in, create space within your body. And with every breath out, release the weight you no longer need to carry. Allow your body to be held. Allow your heart to be quiet. Lie here in this simple shape. You are safe, supported, and enough. Thank yourself for showing up today. See you.